ServiceNow versus Pega. Which one is the best? ServiceNow and Pega are both enterprise automation platforms, but they focus on different areas. Let's compare. First is the ServiceNow. It is best for IT service management and large enterprises. It has a robust IT service management and IT operation management or ITOM, with AI-powered workflows and automations, highly customizable with advanced integrations. It is also great for large enterprises needing end-to-end IT solutions, but it's expensive and complex setup. Steep learning curve for new users. When it comes to Pega, it has an advanced low-code platform for building business and application, AI-powered decisioning and real-time customer engagement, with strong BPM, business processing management, and case management capabilities. It is also based for enterprise focusing on digital transformation, but it requires technical and expertise for customization and with a higher cost compared to some alternatives. Now let's go to our final verdict. Use ServiceNow if you need a robust ITSM and workflow automation solution. And use Pega if you are focused on AI-driven customer engagement and business process automation. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.